Hey guys, so I wasn't filming. Well, I got this this morning. But I did the fruit roll while doing this video for the Phoenix fruit, and I got another Phoenix fruit. What's up, guys? So today I'm eating the Phoenix fruit and Blox Fruits. Oh, okay. I just died in a raid because I'm only level 1003. So Phoenix has been activated. I heard that this is one of the best fruits. Let's test the damage. Not bad, actually. Oh, only actually wait, 3,500 for the first attack. Well, that's pretty much the same as the spider fruit that I just had. I was gonna do a video on it, but I don't. Oh my god, maybe I don't even need to. Look at that mastery. What's up, guys? So today I have the Phoenix fruit. You already said that. I already said that. I'm stupid. Sorry. I have this gun right here. And I'm almost to mastery 90, which means I can get regeneration flames, which basically heal me. So I might not even need observation on E anymore after this. My observation is really good. I'm just gonna flex it real quick. Literally nothing happened. Okay, guys, but like special bonus, I'm also gonna show you guys a glitch that I've heard of, and I think that it sounds really cool, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, guys, so we have this glitch here that I'm about to show you guys. We got the boats over here. Wait, no, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, there we go. So we're going this way. Fly over there, show off the cool phoenix wings. Basically, this is, bruh, furry. Bro, why did they have to add the feet? Just add the wings, bro. Like, I don't understand. Plus, why are the feet so weird? Birds' feet don't look like that. Wait, no. Okay, guys, so I heard of this glitch that you can do. Let me just buy the sloop there. I could have just bought the dinghy. But if you do it while on a boat, you do it, then get on a boat, then you just have it infinitely. Oh my god! It works! And I can fly with it! Wait, this doesn't damage, does it? If this damage, that would be the most overpowered move ever. Okay guys, let's get back to grinding. Okay, so this dude is a bit goofy. He's trying to give me magma for my gravity. Bro, is he stupid? Nah. He's been trying to get, like, this well, you're in a video now. Hope you're happy. Slandering you. Oh, that mean, if it's true, it's not slander, I suppose. So, if anyone wants to trade me spirit, control, or something like that for my gravity, rumble, and light, and I'll even throw in a dark, then yeah, you can do that. But this dude, like, well, honestly, I'll take a lot of stuff, like, but, like, that's my combo that I'm trading. Like, that's a pretty good trade, I'd say. It's over, let's see, so that's over $5 million. It's $4,500,000. Everyone report hoops. Also, he has full body hockey, and he's like, I'm 7, bro. I don't care. You know what? I'm gonna hack his IP later. I'm going to come to his house and I'm gonna beat him up. But anyways, we're almost done with the grinding, and I think it's going pretty well. Next video, hopefully I can get that good fruit. I think I told you guys I'm trying to get a really good fruit for next video. If not, I'll just eat my gravity fruit, which is not a good idea, and we all know that. I hear the gravity fruit is really badly. Next video, I'm just reading fruit. Although the same people who said that also said that light was good, and we all also know that that is a lie. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll show you guys the transformation after this clip. What's up, guys? So after hours of work, I finally fully got this. If you guys want to see it awakened, like and subscribe and comment. Do the awakened version. I don't even remember if I showed you. Oh wait. This is perfect. I can show off my new transformation at factory. Oh my god, yes. Hurry. Bro, this is about to be so cool. I've literally never gotten a fruit from factory too, even though I've done a ton of raids. I keep getting acidum rifles though. Oh my god. Yeah, that's bro, I'm just like infinitely flying. That's kind of. These people know that they can't attack you with the shield, right? Bro, Venom, are you stupid, bro? I hate Venom. Oh, I can't use anything else in this mode. Oh my god, wait, I can run out of transformation time. Oh no, wrong button. Literally nothing happened, what? Again, nothing happened. Oh, I need energy to do it? What? Bro, I never get a fruit from this. I've been told by many people that you're supposed to get fruits from this, but I've never gotten a fruit from this. Okay, bye guys. Just whatever. By the way, I recently got gravity and rumble and light. So if you guys want one of those fruits, comment down below, and I might trade it to you. But you gotta like the video and subscribe to do that, okay? So yeah. Also, if you have spirit, I will literally trade you like all of my best fruits. Okay, like you give me spirit or control, I will trade you all of my best fruits. Okay. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Join the Discord. This took way too long to make. Bye.